Okay, I'm making my tinurang manok. I got onion, ginger, and garlic. And I got chicken, sale. And this one, sayote, cabbage. Okay, let's put the sayote and cabbage. Put some cabbage here and wait. Hintay po tayo. Palambutin natin ng manok. Actually, malambot na yung manok. Naperito ko na. So, it's too much. Thanks for watching, mga kabalen. Okay, mga kabalen, mga kabayan. Tapos na yung tinolang manok ko. Merong cabbage, sayote, sale, and magic sarap, black pepper, and we'll put some scallions. So, lagyan natin ng scallions para magandang tignan. Tastes good. It's delicious. Of course, luto ko to. Kaya masarap. Oh my God. Sarap. Let's eat.